office in 2013, we inherited all the assets and liabilities of the Commissioner of Lands. At that time, we inherited 9,000 land cases. 9,000. The oldest one being in 1940, and then those ones that came even when we were being sworn in. So out of those, we have managed to solve 2,500 of those outstanding cases. And as my outgoing CS is whispering to the incoming one, you can see the amount of work that we have done. Cases that had remained from 1940 is 78 years, and we managed to resolve in 5 years 2,500 outstanding. Now, as you know, after the 2010 Constitution, Kenyans have become even more litigant. So as we are resolving old cases, new cases are also coming up, and we have, I think, recorded 4,000 new ones. So 9,000 minus 25, that's 6,500, plus 4 is 10,500. So we are still not yet out of the woods, but that's a process that goes on. Everything you do, people go to court. The only difference that we have in this is that matters handled by the Commission, especially through ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution, and also through the review of grants and dispositions, take a shorter time. So we have managed to cut down the length of time that it used to take to adjudicate on land cases. We have also taken a lot of the costs, because the Commission sitting with the Minister does not charge anything for any hearing. We don't need even lawyers to be paid by ourselves or by our clients. So the cost and the time has really been reduced, although the volume keeps on increasing. On the issue of the maximum and minimum land sizes, it has been a difficult issue, but the law gave it to the ministry to undertake. In consultation with us, we have not managed to resolve it as such, but we have prepared a bill that is going to be taken to Parliament on suggestions on how we can limit or we can prescribe minimum and maximum. You know, it is a matter that depends on very many factors. It's a matter that depends on the ecological, agroecological zones. It depends on the history. It depends on very issues, especially the human rights issues that we have in this country under the new constitution. We have covered those questions.